Okay, here I am again, and I have another problem with gay rights issues. I just now was watching the Tyra show like a few seconds ago, and there a woman said, like many other people in the world say, it's a choice. That being gay or lesbian is a choice, just as being straight. Well, let me put it this way. When you, as a straight person, like, let's say you're a man, and you, as a straight man, are sitting um, or are standing somewhere on the streets, and like this really hot chick is coming by, walking just by you, and you just have the urge of wanting to to make some things with her, or you have this urge to making some things with that girl because you find her really attractive. It is this feeling that you have like really deep inside. Okay, just as like you're being a straight woman or a straight or even a straight man, like when you see your partner, like when you're a woman, a straight woman, you see the man and you just have the urge of having him, of being with him. Like it isn't like a mental thing. It is this urge that your body is telling you. You know the expression "love is blind." You know, and that's exactly what I mean. That is when your mind isn't working, and when you choose something out of free will, it will mean that it's something you can control. It is a decision you can make. It is something that your mind can set up. But when you're gay or when you're straight, it is something that comes from deep inside. It isn't a rational mental thing you can do. It is no, it isn't a rational mental thing you can control. It is like this biological feeling or urge you just have to um, to love another man or another woman, or to just wanting to do things with that man or that other woman. So maybe what I just explained to you right now could like help you a little bit about understanding why it isn't a choice. Okay? That's all for now. Thank you. Bye.